There's Josh. How you doing? Where is it? Hold on. There it is. Alright, let's get everybody tagged to it. Sweeney Hansen, Dan the Clerk, Brock's in it, Troy Heber's in it, Mike Kefauer's in it, Emmett got in through the filler. That's it. There it is. This is pretty cool stuff. Just grab them. We'll get on this side first. I'll do those two. Alright, there they are. 10 hits per box. 8 autographs. Or autograph relic cards. Yeah, let's pull some craziness. Alright. Everybody's tagged to it. It's broken down in spots with several different wrestlers in each spot. I'll try to find them as I go. And let you know who won each one. It's only 3 pages of stuff versus like Star Wars where it's a lot more. Alright. Gloves are on. I'll just go as we pull it. See if I can find people quick. Because these aren't too hard to read. How am I doing? 37. I think I'm going to unplug it. It's going to drive me nuts. I'm being a little bit quiet tonight because my son's sleeping not far from me. He's been pulling all-nighters at school. Alright. First box of WWE Undisputed for the year. This stuff's pretty cool. Actually, it's really cool. I like it. Oh, it's already there. Okay. 2, 4, 7, 10. 10 packs. The remainder of it, I mean, you see times 2, times 3, times 4. If you want just a second quarter of it, just mention that in the comments. And I'll put it up in there. There's a bunch of spots left yet. And you can get into this even more once you see what it is. And I've got sleeves. I think these are 138. They might be a little bit thicker. I've got the thicker ones in there. Alright, here we go. First pack of the year. WWE. Nope, these are these are 79s. Give me a second. I could probably do the first one, no problem. Then I'll jump up and get the 79s. That's what these are. Cool. Yeah, they're a little bit thinner. They're pretty nice cards, though. There's Cesaro starting us off. Johnny Gargano. All cards shipped, too, so you're going to get every one of them. Even the base. You got Diesel. You got Roman Reigns. They look kind of similar a little bit. And your hit in the first one is Cesaro. 25 out of 199. 25 out of 199. Cesaro autograph. I might have enough right here just to cover the autos anyway. There you go. Yeah, pretty cool. They're on-card autographs. Let me click below through, see who's got it. Cesaro. I know he's in Sheamus. I think I put them together. Yep, number 10. Sean Sweeney gets that one. I try to keep some of them together as far as like dual and triple autographs and stuff like that. So let's see if that worked. I might have one that isn't. Alright, your second pack, we've got AJ Styles. We've got Scarlett, rookie card. There you go. RC up in the top left-hand corner. I'll sleeve the rookies. Top load them later. And then we've got an orange Kofi Kingston, 66 out of 99. Numbered card there. And that was one of the later ones, I believe. Am I right? That would be number 20. Troy Huber gets that one. So that's kind of cool. Kofi Kingston numbered. And then we have an art card. Walter. They're pretty cool looking. I remember these. It's a UK. So we got a Walter card there. And then we've got number to 25. Humberto Carrillo. 25 out of 25. Number down there at the bottom. That's pretty sweet. He might be a little bit harder to find. Let me see. I'm kind of gazing through a little bit as I go. Humberto Carrillo is going to... Where is he? If I don't see him quick enough, I'll just keep moving. Number 19, Anson. Anson gets that one. He's in number 19. That's cool. Third one, we've got a Daniel Bryant and a Razor Ramon. Razor Ramon was pretty cool, I remember him. And then we have and we'll just bring it out, AJ Styles Relic, Matte Relic. 62 out of 99 on that one. AJ Styles pulling it in. Yeah, these are perfect for 79-point top loaders. AJ Styles going to... Should be easier to find. Going to... of course he's going to be difficult. I'm not seeing him. He's in there somewhere, though. I don't want to waste too much time looking. Whoever's got him's got him. He's in there somewhere. Oh, what am I doing? I didn't finish that pack. So we'll go Dana Brooks and John Cena. Our other two cards. In the next pack, we got a Buddy Murphy. And we've got a Charlotte Flair, number 3 out of 5. Purple. Wow. Beautiful. Brock Angle grabs that one. There you go, Brock. He might be in bed right now, but he just got a number to 5 Charlotte Flair. That's cool. Oh, did he? I know how toward muscles feel. It's not fun. And then we have a Dakota Kai from NXT and another Charlotte Flair base card. And our hit is going to, looks like an orange Kushida, numbered 63 out of 99. NXT autograph. I'm looking. Yeah, I'll just let it go. Kushida, 63 out of 99. There, orange. Kushida, I'm just looking if I can see him quick. I don't see him. Yeah, like when I was doing Star Wars, it's the same kind of thing. After a while, you're like, yeah, I'm just not going to see it. You guys kind of know who you have. We've got oh, there you go, art card. Becky Lynch, Sean Sweeney grabbing that one. Becky Lynch orange. Not orange, orange hair. Art card. Then we've got a Keith Lee from NXT. And we've got an autographed Matt Relic, Ciampa, 24 out of 50 green. There you go. That's pretty cool. Oh, cool. There you go. Yeah, I know he's a first numbered. I know I put him in as a first number. Yeah, he's 14. Sean Sweeney gets AJ Styles. Cool. And yeah. We've got Ricochet. And we've got Io Shirai. Base cards. What else? This is only the first 2 boxes. You see how many hits are in this. This is Bianca Belair art card from NXT. A lot of art cards in this, it seems, huh? I forgot how many they had. We've got the Miz base card. And then we've got a nice green Bianca Belair, 31 out of 50. What is that? That is a shirt relic. That's pretty cool looking. Look at that. 21 out of 50, or 31 out of 50, green parallel. Bianca Belair. Perfect fit, 79. Kairi Sane. And Sami Zayn. They rhyme. And what else we got? That would be cool. Alright, we have Ronda Rousey. There you go. R-Truth. And then we have an autograph relic. Cesaro, 33 out of 99. Matt Relic autograph. So Cesaro's doing all right. Number 10. I know that. And I believe that's Sean, right? Yep. Second Cesaro autograph. First one was a regular autograph. This one's an autograph relic. Numbered to 99. And then Damian Priest and Randy Orton. Base cards. What are we pulling out of this one? We've got Karrion Kross, rookie card. Kevin Owens. So another rookie card. It's our second one. Kyle O'Reilly. Green, 7 out of 50 from NXT autograph. There you go. There you go. Kyle O'Reilly, number to 50. Green. And then we've got Kushida. And it looks like the Miz art card. That's pretty cool. Okay. Stone Cold, Steve Austin. Roddy Piper, green. 12 out of 50. Throwing Ric Flair, it looks like. That's pretty cool. Roddy Piper. And then we've got Mia Yim from NXT, 126 out of 199 autograph. we've got Zelina Vega. And the Fiend, Bray Wyatt. Yeah, we just need his autograph, right? There you go, or Alexa Bliss, or one of them. Charlotte Flair, we'll get him. We got him last year. What else? We've got the last pack of box 1. And we have Bobby Lashley. And we've got Shinsuke Nakamura. And then we've got an orange Humberto Carrillo, 18 out of 99. Orange parallel. It's the second one of his cards that we've gotten. And we have a Naomi and Kushida, 18 out of 199. So he has 2. I think we got the orange version and now the regular numbered version. Kushida. Alright. That's only one box. We have 8 of these total. Plenty of hits. Lots of on-card autographs. Some big names. Maybe get some other people interested just by seeing how many hits are in it. There's the second box. Alright. 6 and 4. Make them 5 and 5. There you go. Alright, before I get started on that, let me grab another 79. Alright. Tell you what, if you guys are looking, if you have Hulu and you're looking for a good show to watch, I've been binge watching that show Fargo. It's really good. Really good. It's got Billy Bob Thornton in it. And I think Chris Rock is in it in the next season. But yeah, so far it's pretty wild. It's wild. Interesting. Alright, here's the second one. Here we go. We've got Eric. We've got Kyle O'Reilly. And we've got an orange Xavier Woods, 36 out of 99. I think he's in the same pairing with number 19, I think. Try to keep them together. Big E, Kofi Kingston, and Xavier Woods. 36 out of 99 orange parallel. Bianca Belair, 107 out of 199. Different version of her card. She's doing all right as far as getting hits. Oh, I got you. Yeah, you pick your whatever spot you have. You have a list of wrestlers that if you pull them, you get them. It's kind of like how we did Star Wars, just to bring the price down. It's just an easier way to do it. Xavier Woods. And I can break it down even further, but I mean, I want you guys to get some hits. I tried to spread out as many as I could, get each one some decent hits possible. Who's this? Mustafa Ali art card. Oh, let me fix this. Whoa. There we go. There we go. Mustafa Ali art card. And then we have King Corbin. And then we've got a rookie card autograph. Orange for Rhea Ripley. 91 out of 99. Oh, no, it's not rookie. It's UK. I'm sorry. That's cool. Orange UK Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley, maybe. Yeah, he's Mustafa. I don't think he's wearing it for COVID. I don't think so. He might be in this day and age. Pete Dunne. Humberto Carrillo base cards. And then we've got Adam Cole. Becky Lynch. Yeah, you wouldn't mind having either one of their autos. We might get them. We should in the case anyway. There's Roderick Strong, 3 out of 99. Matt Relic, dual Matt Relic. Man, am I glad I picked up 79-point top loaders this past week. I was debating whether this was 120 or not. I wasn't sure. Dolph Ziggler, Velveteen Dream, base cards. And then on to the next one. Yeah, definitely. Oh, really? Oh, that stinks. We pulled a couple of hers last year. Oh, we got a good one coming. Bret Hitman Hart. And we've got a green Nia Jax, 29 out of 50. And the next one's pretty awesome, I think, anyway. Who's got it? I know. All right, let's see who has it. 29 out of 50 Nia Jax, green parallel. And then we've got an online redemption card. Braun Strowman. Gone to number 6, Mike Kefauver. Undisputed autograph. Sweet. There you go, Mike. That is cool. And then I'll show you the back so you can see that it is not scratched off. All good. Braun Strowman. There you go. And then you've got Rhea Ripley and Kofi Kingston. Yeah, there's some big hits in this, for sure. And it's just fun because there's so many different hits in it. I'd love to do it as a case break. Braun Strowman, there he is. And Howard Finkel. And then we've got a green autographed dual shirt relic of Dolph Ziggler. 50 out of 50. There you go. That's a cool card. I'm just waiting on AEW to get near me. I'm going to go see that live. That should be fun. As soon as you can, anyway. There's Lita and Samoa Joe base cards. Yeah, those of you watching, there's still spots open. This is only the first quarter. If you want to jump in, anything that says ×1 only, it has the last 3 quarters available. Just say ×2, ×3, ×4. And you can jump in. This is Tony Storm art card from the UK. There's good old Mr. T, huh? Picking up Rowdy Piper. I remember that match. And then we've got Pete Dunne orange, 58 out of 99. UK. Pete Dunne orange card. Yeah, probably could. Yeah, there's got to be. There's over 100, so I can just do 100 spots dirt cheap. Mia Yim, 21 out of 99 from the NXT orange. And then we've got Hulk Hogan. And we still have 4 left. Let's see what we're going to pull here. We have Finn Balor and Lacey Evans. And then we have another Dolph Ziggler dual, what is it, shirt relic. 17 out of 25, so that's a blue. Lower numbered one. Dolph Ziggler getting one. And then Booker T and Seth Rollins. 3 left. There's a new one coming up. We've got Ivar and Carmella. And then we have an autographed dual matte relic of Angelo Dawkins, 75 out of 99. There you go. It's a different one. Angelo Dawkins. I'm pretty sure I can get more cases of this too, so I should be able to get 2 or 3 if we can get it rolling. You know, anybody who likes wrestling, get him in here. Sasha Banks, Ciampa. I have no issue doing this. I like wrestling. I grew up with it. And we got 2 left. Here we go. We've got Asuka and Mia Yim. Base cards. Asuka be a nice auto too. We pulled some of hers last year. And we got Rhea Ripley again from the UK. 126 out of 199. And there's Matt Riddle. He used to be a UFC fighter. Got popped so many times for smoking marijuana that he got fired. And then he went to the WWE. Aleister Black. And our final pack of this quarter. Here we go. Alright, we've got Alexa Bliss. We've got Velveteen Dream, blue. This is going to be blue. That's a cool one. We're going to end it on a cool one. Velveteen Dream, 19 out of 25. Are they? And we've got Baron Corbin, King Corbin, 12 out of 25 auto to end our autographs. King Corbin. There you go. That's cool. Number to 25 too. And then we've got Candice LeRae. And Eddie Guerrero art card. There's a lot of Legends stuff in this too, which is cool. And this is only the first 2 boxes. We got quite, I don't know, I'm just talking as I go. I'm going to top load them anyway. But recap, in the first half, or first quarter, we got an Eddie Guerrero art card. King Corbin, number to 25. Velveteen Dream, number to 25. Rhea Ripley, number to 199. And then we've got Angelo Dawkins, dual relic auto. We've got Dolph Ziggler, dual shirt, number to 25. Mia Yim, number to 99, orange. We got Pete Dunne, orange, number to 99. Dolph Ziggler, autograph, dual shirt. That's a cool looking shirt. Hearts uses stripes in it. That's number to 50. We got a redemption of Braun Strowman, undisputed autograph. That's cool. One of Mike Keff there. Nia Jax, green. We've got a dual shirt relic of Roderick Strong. There's an orange Ripley, number to 99. There's Bianca Belair, number to 199. There's Xavier Woods, number to 99, orange. Kushida, number to 199. We got an orange Carrillo, number to 99. Mia Yim, number to 199. Green Roddy Piper, number to 50. He's throwing Ric Flair in that one. Kyle O'Reilly, number to 50, green autograph. We've got an autograph dual shirt relic of Cesaro, number to 99. Bianca Belair, dual shirt relic, number to 50, green. Tommaso Ciampa, number to 50. Autograph matte relic, dual matte relic. Kushida, orange, number to 99. We got Charlotte Flair purple number to 5. That's cool. Let's go on to Brock Angle. AJ Styles, Matt Relic dual 99. Humberto Carrillo 25 out of 25. That's a blue. We have an orange Kofi Kingston number to 99. And we have Cesaro number to 199 autograph. We also pulled these, which I will top load. There's that Tony Storm art card. Mustafa Ali art card. The Miz art card. Rookie card of Karrion Kross. And I see that one. That's going to Emmett Bean. Then we have, who's this? Bianca Belair art card. There's Becky Lynch art card. This is Walter. And then we've got a rookie card of Scarlett. And that is the first quarter. All these will ship, including the base. There you go. It's on the board. We got some WWE done. Still got 3 quarters or 6 more boxes of it out of the same case. Plenty of hits left if anybody wants to have some fun and get in. And yeah, we'll keep it going. And if you guys like it enough, I'll get another case. I don't have any problem getting in. So, awesome. I appreciate it. I will be up for a little while yet, so if you want to message me, feel free. Yeah, have a great night. We'll see you.